Senator Slama has accused former governor candidate Charles Herbster of sexual assault, while Herbster fired back with a defamation lawsuit. On Tuesday at the Gage County Courthouse, topics of discussion were Herbster's ability to be deposed, articles getting entered into evidence, and limiting press coverage. Charles Herbster himself was not present. The hearing was broken into 5 motions and was presided by District Judge Rick Schreiner. Early on, Theodore Becker, an attorney for Charles Herbster, issued into evidence a tweet sent out by Slama related to her accusation of Herbster's assault, as well as some other documents. Counsel for Slama objected.
We object to those those exhibits. On the basis of relevance, hearsay, lack of authentication, incomplete and apparently altered documents, given that there are highlights and notations on them, which would be further hearsay and a further authenticity issue. We are in receipt of no affidavit or anything that would authenticate these particular documents.
Also discussed was Herbster's ability to be deposed in the case. He didn't show early on, as his defense team claims he was too busy with the election. Slama's defense team stated there was no rule in Nebraska that allowed him to be excused for any reason. Herbster's defense team asked for 2 days of deposition. Arguably, the day's biggest point of conflict was that of press coverage in the case. Multiple press releases had been sent out by Slama, and Herbster attorney Theodore Becker said her claims of sexual assault defamed Herbster's character. Therefore, he's against press involvement.
I don't think this case should be tried in the media. I don't think counsel should be issuing press releases to the press with copies of motions that haven't even been served on opposing counsel. I don't think it's appropriate to try this case in the press, and that's the danger when you do so, is that an attorney potentially becomes a witness and becomes referenced in proposed amended pleadings about additional defamatory statements that can be made.
Slama defense attorney Marty Jensen responded.
Every statement by Senator Slama and or her counsel is protected by Rule 3.6, and it was in response to a statement from Mr. Herbster.
The day wrapped up by opening briefs having to be in by July 1st, both sides having to agree on them by July 15th. At the Gage County Courthouse in Beatrice, Jake Bartecki, News Channel, Nebraska.